Once upon a time, Memphis Depay was the next Cristiano Ronaldo.Now the Dutch winger is beating the team that the man who could replace Ronaldo is playing for. The Lyon winger struck a brilliant winner against PSG last night. When Louis van Gaal pulled off the signing of Memphis Depay from PSV at the end of the 2014-15 season, it was an absolute and utter coup of the highest order, signing the young winger before anyone else could get in. However, like most things at Manchester United under LVG, things didn't exactly work out the way they should have done. Does Depay deserve his place in our list of Manchester United flops? He played another 4 games under Jose Mourinho in his second season at Old Trafford and was sold to Lyon in January with only limited game time on offer in the Premier League. Things have gone better in France, and last night Lyon faced Ligue 1 leaders PSG, and the Dutchman scored in the last minute of injury time to give his side a 2-1 win. People couldn't resist making the same point about the former Manchester United flop. PSG were without Neymar as they dropped points, not that it makes too much difference as they still lead the French league by 8 points, and Dani Alves had got himself sent off before Depay struck the winner.